What is the impact of tourism on rural demographic data? Imagine a quiet rural town suddenly buzzing with visitors. Tourism can change the way people live and move in these areas. It influences population numbers, job opportunities, and community life. When tourists visit rural places, they often stay longer or even decide to move there. This can bring new residents like retirees, small business owners, or young workers looking for a different lifestyle. These new arrivals help balance out population declines that many rural communities face. Tourism also boosts local economies. More visitors mean more spending in hotels, restaurants, and shops. This creates jobs in hospitality, retail, and services that are easier to access than traditional rural jobs like farming or resource extraction. As a result, local incomes can rise, poverty can decrease, and communities become more stable. When people see new job opportunities, they are more likely to stay or move into these areas, helping to slow or reverse population loss. But tourism can also cause some problems. Increased demand for housing and services can push up living costs. This might make it harder for long-time residents, especially those with lower incomes, to afford staying in their communities. Growth can lead to overcrowding, strain on infrastructure, and environmental issues. These challenges might make some people decide to leave or discourage new residents from moving in. The COVID-19 pandemic showed how rural tourism can change quickly. During the pandemic, outdoor attractions like parks and trails saw more visitors. This led to temporary job increases in leisure and hospitality sectors. Some rural areas became more attractive for people wanting to escape crowded cities. This shift could influence future migration patterns, with more people choosing rural areas for their quieter, open spaces. In summary, tourism can help rural areas keep or grow their populations by creating jobs and attracting new residents. It can diversify communities with retirees and entrepreneurs. However, it can also raise living costs and change community dynamics. These shifts are connected to larger trends in urban, rural, and suburban areas across the United States. While tourism offers opportunities for growth, it needs to be managed carefully to balance economic benefits with community, well-being, and environmental health.